Welcome to the channel. This is how to fix DJI Mini 2 error code 412. So first, this means that it has an issue with the ESC, usually caused by a motor fault, wiring issue, or ESC failure. So just simply turn off the Mini 2 and remove the battery and wait for 30 seconds, then power it back on. Now, you can also spin each motor by hand and it should rotate smoothly and look for any signs of dirt, debris, or damage that could block motor function. And also, guys, make sure all propellers are intact and balanced and they are firmly attached and replace any damage or bent blades. Now, guys, if any of these doesn't work, just simply contact the DJI support for professional help. There you go. See ya.